In this tutorial, I'll show you how we can create this overlapping text shadow effect in your Elementor website. Here you can see each of these letters are creating a shadow over the previous letters, and here is also a reflection under that, which makes this text really stand out. So without further ado, let's see how can we create this cool effect. So first of all, inside this blank page, I want to create a new section and I want to give it a height. Make the minimum height to 100 VH and also give it a black background color. Then inside this I want to take an heading widget, so let's drag this to here. And first of all I want to place this on the middle of this page, so make the alignment to center and also change its text. From this style, let's change its color to this light color and also make it a bigger font size to 100 pixel. And also change this font to this, and here I want to make this a really bold font, so make the weight to 900 and also reduce the spacing between these letters, so make the letter spacing minus 50 pixel. And if you look closely, you can see because of reducing this letter spacing, this text goes a little bit of right side, so I want to use the same amount of letter spacing as a negative margin from here, minus 50 pixel. Okay, now here if we look at this text, we cannot see this letter properly, so I need to use some text shadow with that. So go to this text shadow option and make this shadow color to fully black, but here we still cannot see this shadow. So here if we go to this section settings and here if we change this background color, you can see this text shadow is actually applying for this text, but it's applying for this whole heading widget. Here I want to apply this shadow for each of our letters individually. So for this we need to wrap each of these letters inside an individual span tag. So if we go to again this heading settings, from here we can also do that, but I don't want to create so many span tags from here. Instead I want to use some custom code. So first of all I want to add a class shadow-text, and then we need to add some JavaScript code under here. Let's drag this and paste this code, and now we can see this shadow for each of these letters. Here you don't need to worry about this code snippet. I will give all of the code snippet link to my website and also give that code snippet link to my description. So from here you just need to copy and paste this code. Now let's again go to this heading widget, and here I want to increase the blurriness for this text shadow, make it to 50, and also place this shadow a little bit left side, so make this X offset minus 15 pixel. Perfect. So lastly here I also want to add a shadow under this text. So for this let's again go to its custom CSS option and paste this code snippet, and you can see an upside down shadow under this text. But here we need to reduce the spacing between them, so I want to reduce the line height for this text, so make it to 0.8 em. Now that looks perfect for our desktop devices, so let's quickly check this for our tablet devices. So here I need to reduce the font size of this text, make it to 180 pixel, and let's also check this on mobile, and it goes in 2 lines. So here you always need to keep this text in 1 line, otherwise you cannot see this reflection properly. So here I want to make this font size to 90 pixel and also want to fix this letter spacing between them minus 25, and according to that I want to apply this minus 25 pixel also on here. So that's how we can create this cool text shadow overlay effect in your Elementor website. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.